Hi guys, latest build Jeep 392. This thing is a beast. Now when you have so much power, you need the best suspension on it, and that's what it came here for. So let me show you what's going on. We put a 3.5 suspension system from Metal Cloak, which comes with front and rear adjustable track bars. Comes with all 8 arms, also adjustable. Progressive coil springs. These are awesome on the street. You will feel like you're driving a sedan, but at the same time, it's going to give you the best performance you want on the sand. Now, the most important part in this kit is this beautiful Fox 3.0 Racing Series. This is the ultimate bolt-on shock that you can ever find for a JL in the market. This car has so much power and can fly and stay stable with this setup. Now, we've also added a worn winch and some other accessories. So if you've got a 392 or anything else, we're here to support you. Just let us know. Thank you.